Hello and welcome to VictorQuote. In this session I'm going to talk about the home page and the different links and documents you can find from the home page. Right here we've got recent quotes, so these are recent quotes I've done, and just a real quick and easy place to get to a quote. As you can see there. To get back to the home page, click right here on VictorQuote. These are recent orders I've done. Again, it's just a quick, easy shortcut to recent orders. Down here, there's some pretty cool stuff. This is a link to our website to the product catalog, and there's a lot of good stuff here. We've got some VictorQuote training videos here, which this one will be added soon. But these are just quick videos, how to create a quote, how to add your logo for your company, etc. We've also got lots of good information on all our product. Maybe somebody's called you or somebody's come up to the counter and they want to know more about estate windows. There's copies of all our literature here, so you could print this off or you could download this and email it to a customer. Some real popular ones. Here's your Victorville SDL profiles. This is all stuff right at your fingertips. There's the Traditions double hung window. This is a good one here. This is the double hung window openings chart. Again, you can print this out for your customer. It's got sash size, rough opening, outside of jamb, masonry, brick to brick. You could download it and send it to somebody. This is a great video right here. This is a video which goes through measuring and how to install and remove a sash pack. Door information again. Here's our stock wood door brochure. This is all stuff you can get in a week or less. So maybe you got a customer that needs something really quick. This is a good one you can download and email it to the customer, or you could do a printout. We got finishing guidelines, warranties. We got our multi-point hardware. Here's our total frame defense lifetime frame and warranty. This is a popular one here. This is PGT. We stock their 8.0 sliding doors, but this is a quote sheet. Maybe they're not sure what to give you. To get a quote, you can just print this off. They fill it out, get this info to us, and we'll price it out for you. Easy Breeze. There's some PGT videos on how to use their software. Western Windows. Here's our custom etching program for doors. Miscellaneous. This is where our weather vanes are, cupolas, wood fold. A lot of different information. One other popular one I want to show you is in Windows. This is a great one here. This explains and has pictures showing you how to measure for a sash pack, where to measure from. Unfortunately, a lot of the installers aren't familiar like they once were, and this is something good to pass along to those folks. Here is a faster way to that document right there. That's the measuring guide. So we got a link direct from your desktop. Historic series is not there. This is just announcing that it will be coming in the future. This is a great link here. This gives our lead times. So you click right here, and this has got a lead time for our stock items. It's got lead time for our special order items. And we keep this up to date. So, for example, Rogue Valley is currently 8 to 11 weeks on their specials. And another example, our exterior wood doors, stock doors, are 3 to 4 working days. So this is a great place to reference that information. My views. Here's just a shortcut to orders that have been processed, pending quotes. So these are quotes that are in the pending stages. And that's all for now on the homepage.